You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Steve Onishola, the elder brother of the late Folake Aremu, popularly known as Orisabunmi, and the technical director of Ilorin's Kwara Falcons basketball team, died only 2 days after his sister's death. He was 71 years of age and died on Thursday, 7th of January. Joseph Adeyemo, the chairman of the Kwara State Basketball Association, reported the death in a statement quoted by the Nigerian news agency. Onishola had been managing director of Falcons on a number of occasions before being appointed technical director. He was part of the Falcons squad, which won the Elite Division promotion in 2013. The deceased was also a part of the silver winning squad in the Kwesi Premier League 2018 edition. He was a member of the Kwara Basketball Association's board before his death. On Tuesday, January 5, his death came as a shock, just like that of his younger sister, Orisabunmi.